Tommy reached the factory gate, where panda friends could hardly wait. Rainbow machines went puff, puff, pop, making balloons that never stop. Tiny hats upon their heads, Panda smiled and kindly said, "Welcome, Tommy, come and play. Let's make balloons all day today." Red and yellow, green and blue, colorful balloons came into view. Tommy learned each color's name. Learning turned into a game. Twist and bend with gentle care, balloon animals filled the air. Puppy, bunny, elephant too. Panda workers showed what to do. Up the conveyor we glide. Tommy enjoyed the bouncy ride. Giggles echoed through the hall. Happy balloons floated tall. Happy balloons floated tall. Hidden behind machines so bright, a golden balloon shone with light. Tommy found the special prize. Sparkling magic filled his eyes. Step by step and bounce by bounce, across balloon bridges they would pounce. Rainbow colors led the way to magical adventures every day. Thousands of balloons flew high, dancing gently through the sky. Tommy waved with great delight, watching colors take their flight. Pandas marched with songs and cheer. Confetti floated far and near. Music played a joyful tune underneath the smiling